What's going on, people? Happy Labor Day here. Yes, I am working on Labor Day here. In fact, I'm doing some advanced training for both of them now. Jordan's on the advanced, and here's Cassidy, man. How you doing, Cassidy? Good, good. He's from Sacramento, right? Good deal. What's your handle on Instagram?
It's Dent Maven. I'm not sure that.
Dent Maven?
Dent Maven.
Okay.
PDR, but there's like an underscore that I have to.
Oh, don't worry. I'll put a link on there after this, okay? So, we got two dents we got to do. We got to do this one, and then we got to do this one over here, okay? Right here. What's up, Jason? How you doing, man? So, I wonder how this happened. I wonder how that happened. I wonder any clues? So anyways, what we're talking about is how to release this dent quicker, unrelease the crown, things like this. What's up, Juan? David, how you doing, dude? From Spain. I mean, I love Spain, man. I freaking love it, dude. Oh, the tapas, man. I miss that. So we're talking about like cold glue and things like that. I'm going to put a video up too. We did slow motion this right here. And so we're talking, it's not just about cold glue, right? It's going to be afterwards, right? How to release crowns and cleaning this up. If you've ever seen the Corolla Crush on YouTube that I did, and then the full tutorial on Dent Trainer, you'll see kind of like a lot of different things. It was way worse than this, but still, it's kind of the same scenario. What's up, Marcin? How you doing, man? John Vadine, the Dent Reaper in the house. So we're gonna use all types of tools for this side. We're gonna use different tools on that side. In fact, we're gonna use some Reapers. We're gonna use some stand liners. We're gonna use some soft tips. We're gonna use like a lot of different scenarios in these things. So we are in the advanced area right now, talking about that. Let's take a look at you were using a stand liner. Let's talk about stand liners. We were using stand liner tool there, and you were using where'd that one tool? Did you put it back already? The whale tail?
Yeah, it was here.
Okay.
No, it's right here.
So he had a giant crease going right across here. He's barely still working it, but he was using this killer whale tail right across there with this. Did we show that? You have photos of that,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, I got
so we'll put some. I'll let you finish it later on, so you can do that. But we're working on all the latest and greatest tools. So Cassie, you've already been using some latest and greatest tools, right? What do you think, dude?
Awesome.
Yeah.
The tools I have are nothing like that, so
Yeah.
it's nice.
Yeah. So we're gonna get busy. All right. So stay tuned. Hope you guys are all enjoying your Labor Day weekend. We are getting it in. Okay. We'll have a good lunch later on, dude. All right. So don't work too hard, everybody. Take care and be safe. See ya.